After enduring extreme depths,
Surface speed and handling are tested, ensuring the submarine.
After months of engineering excellence, preparation engineered for the precision navigation allows submarines to maneuver built for endurance.
Life aboard follows carefully managed shifts, keeping the submarine operational around the clock.
Operating beneath busy shipping lanes, submarines remain unseen in the depths below. This glowing steel is being crushed with thousands of tons of force to survive the deepest oceans on Earth. This glowing steel will soon survive the deepest oceans on Earth.
Every submarine begins its life not in the ocean,
Robots weld every seam with perfect precision because one tiny mistake means instant collapse underwater.
Before shaping can begin, every steel plate undergoes rigorous testing. Engineers verify
This single steel section weighs more than a passenger airplane. With millimeter precision, plasma cutters transform raw steel into curved hull segments. Each glowing cut follows digital blueprint. After years of construction, it finally touches water. After years of construction, the submarine finally touches water.
To ensure flawless weld strength, every hull section receives precisely angled edges.
And now, it goes where humans can't survive.
And now, it goes where humans can't survive. Before permanent welding begins, temporary tack welds lock the structure in place. These small connections ensure perfect.
Every weld undergoes non-destructive testing, allowing engineers to see deep inside the steel. Once individual sections are complete, they're combined into enormous hull blocks, each weighing hundreds of tons and requiring flawless coordination to a hull.
Massive reinforcement rings are installed to strengthen the structure against crushing underwater forces, adding strength and ensuring safety throughout the vessel.
Seams are meticulously smoothed, leaving the hull seamless and strong.
Before entering the ocean, the hull must prove its strength under simulated deep-sea pressure.
After enduring extreme pressure, the hull is inspected down to microscopic levels, confirming every weld. With testing complete, massive hull sections begin their journey toward final submarine assembly, marking a major milestone in construction.
At the heart of propulsion, massive shaft housings are installed with microscopic precision forming them.
Lowered with flawless coordination, the submarine's massive engine becomes the powerhouse that will sustain long underwater missions. Thousands of meters of electrical systems are installed, forming the nervous system that powers navigation, communication, and life support. Ballast systems control buoyancy, allowing the submarine to dive silently and resurface with precision.
The final hull section brings the submarine's structure together, transforming thousands of components into one formidable vessel. With the final welds complete, the submarine becomes a single, unified, pressure-resistant structure. After months of precision work, the submarine's hull stands complete, ready for final outfitting and eventual launch into the depths. Life support systems recycle air continuously, keeping crews safe during extended underwater missions where fresh oxygen is impossible to access. Advanced water processing systems allow submarines to produce fresh water and manage waste while remaining mostly hidden beneath the waves. Controls and weapons into one integrated command network. Specialized stealth coatings reduce corrosion beneath the waves. The launch process begins as the dry dock fill with seawater, preparing the submarine for its first contact with the ocean.
For the first time, the submarine's weight is carried by water, proving its buoyancy and balance. Specialized tugboats prepare to guide the massive vessel safely out of the dock for open water trials. With the gates opening, the submarine prepares to leave the shipyard, entering open water for the first time. Guided carefully into open water,
the submarine begins its transition from construction project to operational vessel. Engineers verify surface stability, ensuring the submarine maintains perfect balance before diving tests.
Ballast tanks fill gradually, allowing the submarine to begin its first controlled descent. This controlled submersion confirms ballast precision, a critical step before full underwater trials. Emergency surfacing systems are tested briefly, ensuring the submarine can return to the surface instantly if needed. The submarine now begins its first full dive, descending into the depths where immense pressure awaits. As pressure increases with depth.
At maximum test depth, the submarine experiences forces equivalent to thousands of tons pressing against its hull.
Even under extreme pressure, propulsion systems are tested to ensure flawless operation in real-world conditions, confirming thrust efficiency and mechanical stability.
Engineers test maneuverability and speed through, proving the submarine can operate efficiently even under crushing pressure.
Emergency protocols are tested at extreme depth, lean, ensuring rapid response to any scenario.
The submarine begins its ascent, having proven its strength in the harshest environment on Earth.
After enduring extreme depths,
Surface speed and handling are tested, ensuring the submarine performs flawlessly above water as well.
steering systems are pushed through precise maneuvers, validating full control in real-world conditions. With all systems certified, the submarine receives full operational clearance, officially ready for service. After months of engineering excellence, preparations begin for the submarine's official commissioning into service. Leaders and engineers gather to mark the moment this vessel becomes part of the operational fleet. With ceremony complete, the crew boards the submarine for its first official
Now, under its own power, the submarine begins its operational life.
Leaving the shipyard behind, the submarine heads toward its first real mission environment.
On its first operational dive, the submarine slips beneath the surface climb, ready for real-world missions. Engineered for the harshest environments on Earth, the submarine begins its life beneath the waves.
At operational depth, the submarine cruises silently, built to remain undetected while navigating extreme underwater environments.
Advanced sonar systems allow crews to detect objects miles away in total darkness. In silent mode, the submarine reduces noise to near zero, becoming nearly invisible underwater. Precision navigation allows submarines to maneuver safely through complex underwater landscapes.
High-speed performance is tested to ensure rapid response capability when required.
Emergency stopping systems allow rapid deceleration without compromising stability.
After completing its first full mission cycle, the submarine proves its readiness for long-term operations.
After completing its mission cycle, the submarine returns for detailed evaluation and preparation for future deployments.
After each mission, the hull is thoroughly examined to ensure structural integrity remains flawless. Regular maintenance ensures propulsion systems remain efficient and reliable over long operational lifetimes.
Serviced, tested, and optimized, the submarine stands ready for its next mission beneath the waves.
Under cover of darkness, the submarine departs for extended patrol, beginning weeks of underwater operations.
Built for endurance, the submarine cruises silently for days at a time.
Life aboard follows carefully managed shifts, keeping the submarine operational around the clock.
Even during extended missions, the hull is continuously monitored to ensure long-term structural integrity.
Thermal layers in the ocean create complex navigation conditions for plumbers, carefully managed by advanced systems.
Operating beneath busy shipping lanes, submarines remain unseen in the depths below.
Crews train constantly to detect and evade potential threats, maintaining operational superiority.
After extended underwater operations, the submarine returns toward the surface, having completed a full endurance patrol.
Enhanced energy storage increases underwater endurance and performance.
Control, we have positive buoyancy at the stern.
Roger that. Maintain current flow rate.
Enhanced and modernized, the submarine begins its next generation of missions. Robotic cells now assemble massive hull blocks with unmatched speed and precision.
Module alignment is confirmed. Initiate the locking sequence.
Sequence initiated. Clamps engaged and secured.
Artificial intelligence now predicts hull performance years into the future, preventing failures before they occur.
Future submarines deploy and recover autonomous drones for extended surveillance and exploration. Artificial intelligence now assists in planning complex underwater missions with unmatched precision.
Autonomous submarines now undergo sea trials, redefining underwater operations.
Shipyards continue expanding to meet the growing demand for next-generation submarines.
The future submarine fleet represents the pinnacle of industrial engineering and underwater technology.
Built to explore the deepest regions of Earth's oceans, future submarines push the limits of human engineering.
Connection secure. Final torque applied.
Data stream is normalizing across all modules.
Modern fleets operate in coordinated networks, maximizing coverage and efficiency.
Even at the end of service life, submarines are recycled responsibly to recover valuable materials.
Submarine production is powered by a massive global industrial ecosystem. From raw steel to deep-sea mastery chronon, submarine engineering stands as one of humanity's greatest industrial achievements.